Picture this. You wake up in the morning, you sit up in bed, and your knees stop you. Not just stiff, not just a little sore. Sharp, grinding, that deep ache that makes you wonder, is this just my life now? Maybe you've been there already. Maybe every single morning feels like a negotiation with your own body. Maybe you've stopped doing things you love. Walking the dog, playing with grandkids, climbing stairs without holding the rail, because your knees just won't cooperate anymore. If you're over 60 and your knees are stealing your independence, this video is for you. Because today I'm going to show you 3 simple exercises, no gym, no equipment, no getting down on the floor, that can genuinely rebuild your knee strength in as little as 2 weeks. Not manage the pain, not just cope, rebuild. Stay with me. Let's get into it. Here's what's actually happening inside your knee, and why it gets worse if you ignore it. After the age of 60, your body starts losing muscle mass at a rate of 1 to 2% every single year. That process has a name. It's called sarcopenia. And most people have never heard of it. Now here's the part that changes everything. Your knee joint was never designed to hold your body weight by itself. The cartilage, the ligaments, the joint itself, they are protected and supported almost entirely by the muscles surrounding them. Your quadriceps at the front of the thigh, your hamstrings at the back, the muscles of your inner thigh and hip. When those muscles get weak, and after 60, they do get weak unless you actively fight back, the knee joint starts taking on pressure it was never built to handle. The cartilage wears down, inflammation builds, and suddenly everything hurts. Here's the number that should stop you cold. A study published in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society found that adults over 60 with significant quadriceps weakness have a 65% higher risk of knee-related disability within just 3 years. 65%. Not from an injury, not from a disease, just from muscle that wasn't maintained. And here is what nobody is telling you about that statistic. The reverse is also true. People who strengthen those same muscles, even people who already had moderate knee arthritis, reduced their pain by up to 40% and significantly improved their ability to walk, climb stairs, and live independently. That is not a miracle. That is biology. And that is exactly what these 3 exercises are designed to unlock for you. Now, before we get into the movements, I want you to understand why these 3 specific exercises, and not just any random workout you find online. Each one targets a specific muscle group that directly protects your knee. And they are designed specifically for people over 60. Low impact, no equipment, safe for people with arthritis. You won't need to get on the floor for a single one of them. Here's what we're building today. Exercise 1 will wake up your quadriceps, the single most important muscle for knee support, without putting any stress on the joint itself. Exercise 2 activates your deep knee stabilizing muscles through an isometric hold that feels almost too simple, but is backed by some of the strongest clinical research in senior fitness. And exercise 3, the one most people skip, trains your nervous system and your knee to communicate, which is what actually prevents falls and long-term joint damage. 3 exercises. That's it. Let's start. Exercise 1 is the seated leg raise. And if your knees are in real pain right now, this is where you start. Grab a firm chair, kitchen chair, dining chair, whatever you have at home. Sit up straight, both feet flat on the floor. Here's what you do. Slowly straighten one leg until it is parallel to the floor, as high as you can comfortably go. Keep your foot flexed, toes pointing toward the ceiling. Now hold that position for 3 seconds, and while you hold, squeeze the muscle on top of your thigh as hard as you comfortably can. That's your quadriceps firing. Then slowly lower the leg back down. That is 1 repetition. Before we go to exercise 2, I want to ask you for one small thing. Drop a comment right now and just type the number 1. That's it. Just the number 1. It tells me you made it this far, and it tells YouTube's algorithm that this information is valuable, which means it'll reach more people over 60 who need it just as much as you do. All right, exercise 2. This one surprised a lot of people. Find a blank wall in your home. Stand with your back flat against it. Feet shoulder width apart, about 18 inches away from the wall. Now here's the key. You're only going to slide down about 4 to 6 inches, not a full squat, not a deep bend, just a very shallow lowering. Think of it as hovering just barely below standing position. Hold that for 10 seconds, then slide back up to standing. So why does such a simple movement work so powerfully? Because a wall sit activates 3 major muscle groups at the same time: your quadriceps, your glutes, and your inner hip stabilizers. All 3 of the primary muscles that support and protect the knee joint, working together simultaneously in one movement. And here's the clinical evidence you need to hear. A 2019 study in the British Journal of Sports Medicine found that isometric exercises, which is exactly what a wall sit is, reduced knee pain in people with osteoarthritis by 54% after just 4 weeks. 54% reduction in pain from a movement you can do in your hallway. And because we're doing a very shallow, modified version here, there is virtually no compressive stress on the knee joint at all. Start with 10 seconds. Over the 2 weeks, try to build toward 20 or 30 seconds. That progression, that tiny improvement each day, is how you rebuild. Exercise 3 is the one that most people skip, and it might be the most important one of all. Stand directly behind a sturdy chair. Hold the back of the chair with both hands for support. Slowly raise one knee up toward hip height, or as high as is comfortable for you today. Pause for 1 full second at the top. Then slowly lower the foot back down and just tap your toe to the floor. Don't put full weight down, just a tap. Then raise the knee again. Now here is why this exercise is different from everything else you've done so far. Strength is only half the equation. Your knee doesn't just need muscle, it needs to communicate with your brain. That connection, called neuromuscular control, is what prevents you from stumbling when you step off a curb, losing your footing on uneven ground, or going down from a simple misstep. And after 60, that neuromuscular connection gets weaker, fast. Unless you train it. Every time you raise that knee with control and tap that toe with precision, you are literally rewiring coordination pathways between your leg muscles and your nervous system. Research from Northwestern University found that neuromuscular training exercises like this one reduced fall risk in adults over 65 by 23% in just 8 weeks. 23%. Fall prevention is what we are really talking about here. Independence. The confidence to move through your day without fear. That's what exercise 3 is building. Here is how to put all 3 exercises together over the next 14 days. Days 1 through 7. Do all 3 exercises once per day. Take your time. Focus on form over speed. Even if the full routine only takes you 10 minutes, that is enough. Consistency matters more than intensity right now. Days 8 through 14. Add 1 extra set to each exercise. Try to increase your wall sit hold by 2 to 3 seconds compared to your first week. And notice, truly pay attention, to whether the exercises feel easier than day 1. Because they will. Not because of magic. Because your muscles are adapting. Because your brain is building new coordination patterns. Because your body, even at 60, 70, or 80 years old, still knows how to get stronger when you give it the right signal. Here's my challenge to you right now. Pin a sticky note somewhere, you'll see it every morning. Write on it, 2 weeks, stronger knees, I'm doing this. And come back to this video in 14 days and leave a comment telling me exactly how you feel. I read every single one. Knee pain after 60 is common, but it is not permanent. Weakness is not your destiny. Loss of independence is not inevitable. You have far more control over how your body feels and functions than anyone ever gave you credit for. The research is clear. The path is simple, and you now have the exact tools to walk it. These 3 exercises, done consistently, done patiently, done starting today, can genuinely change the trajectory of your knees and your quality of life. If this video helped you, hit the like button right now. It takes 1 second and it means everything for this channel and for the people we're trying to reach. And if you know someone over 60 who is dealing with knee pain, please share this video with them. You might be giving them back something they thought they had lost forever. I'll see you in the next one. Stay strong, stay moving. This is Age-Wise Fitness.